Hi, in this video we're going to talk about Louisiana court records and how to find them. To get started, come down to louisianapublicrecords.org, and there should be a link in the description you can click on, or you can just type it into your browser. On the home page you will notice there's lots of public record databases in alphabetical order. So depending on what type of research you're doing, you might be also able to find some useful databases here. But we are going to focus on court records, and what you want to do is you want to hover over more records, and we have specialized pages for the most sought after record types. So anything from background checks to property records, inmate search, and I'm going to go ahead and click on court records here. And so what you'll notice here are it's a description, and it kind of shows you what the different courts are in how the court structure works, and what each of the courts, what types of cases each of the courts deals with. Now, Louisiana doesn't have a statewide system to research this. So what happens is, depending on the parish, on the county, 80% of the courts have a special public terminal that you can actually come in and use to look up court records. The other option would be that the parish provides a direct database online where you can research this information also. So you have two different types of two ways to research this information, either on the internet or by going directly and using one of these public terminals at the court. Now, talking about the resources you have available online at the county level, as you can see, we covered the most populous parishes here, and you can see that they cover civil, criminal information, and they provide their own online access databases right at the court of clerk's office, or the clerk of court office actually runs these databases online. And so you can research this information. At least the most populous counties have this information. We're planning to add more and more. So if you come down, we did the research here for you. If not, you might have to find it on your own. So you have quite a few options available to you. One more thing to consider is using the name search on top. And what this does is it doesn't just look at local or statewide records in Louisiana. It actually goes also outside the state. So anything, it's more of a nationwide look at somebody's public record history. Why is that important? Like well, first of all, it saves you a lot of time, because we're talking about thousands of databases, and they're compiled into a single search system that you can access almost instantaneously, pretty much. Second reason why it's beneficial is because, let's say you're looking for a criminal court record, and the person is living in Louisiana now, but maybe they're coming down from North Carolina or maybe Utah. And if you're just researching the local records in Louisiana, you're not necessarily going to catch what happened in those other states. So it helps you be more informed, helps you cover more bases, and saves you time. So it's also a great tool to use in addition to your local resources. So once again, louisianapublicrecords.org. Come on down and get started on your Louisiana court record search. Thank you.